Hey friends, twice in one day, it's your friend Lisa Mason Ziegler dropping back in because guess what, friends? I shared this today on social media about how my book pre-order gives you an incredible gifting card to actually be able to get an immediate, if you're looking for a great Valentine's gift and you need it immediately, this is it. When you pre-order my new book, which is en route to us now, y'all, it's still going to be probably 2 weeks for many of you to still get the book because we have thousands of books to sign, wrap, and ship. But if you pre-order it right now for Valentine's, this download of a card comes an email immediately when you order it. And you can print it. I actually show how I printed it on social media today on a post. Slide it into a box of candy, which I bet you could even stop at the corner convenience store and get a box of candy and hook them up. And that would be the best gift ever, right? And the card actually tells them there will be a book coming your way. They know that their book is coming. So I just wanted to hop on and y'all see what's above my head? That is an overview of our home place back in 1940s. You can't see it. It was an aerial flyover, a black and white picture, and apparently a guy flew over all the farms in the Mennonite colony here, and then he went door to door trying to sell them. And what they did is they oil painted on top of the black and white image, and there's a name for that, and I've looked it up before. Anyway, you can't see it, but Steve's grandma, you can see her right in the middle of the backfield, full covering, long dress. Anyway, the guy then went door to door trying to sell them, and it was $12, and she bought it and then hid it from Grandpa for quite some time, like a couple of years, because she was afraid to tell him that she had wasted $12 on a picture. Anyway, there's two of them, and I think I have both of them. This one's at Steve's office, and one is here, and this is like dirt roads, no houses built around us, super sweet and super special, and it just got hung on this wall yesterday. I'm super pleased of where it is. But anyway, I just thought I'd get on here and say, you do have an immediate great Valentine's Day gift option if you need it. I don't know if, excuse me, any of y'all like me, I'm the worst gift buyer. Excuse me. And I need immediate things. So check it out. You can actually comment book here and I'll DM you the direct link. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm sorry. I got to get a drink. I've got what my doctor calls the 100-day tickle in my throat. Anyway. All right, friends. So if you need an immediate Valentine's Day gift, here's it is. Comment book. You'll get the link. It's $30 plus tax. We give free shipping. It's signed, wrapped, and it'll be coming to your recipient in the next coming weeks. But you get an excellent gifting card to actually give it. And then you pick up a box or a bag of candy, put them together, and it looks like a really thought out gift. So friends, till we meet again, thanks for dropping in. Ciao.